Good day. This is Anna-Marie Slabbert from the Michaela Memorial NPC. I just want to say a very big thank you for your support with our Christmas party for the children and our Christmas lunch for the elderly. Because of your help, we were able to bless around 500 children with a joyful Christmas celebration and about 110 elderly people with a warm, loving Christmas meal. Your kindness truly made a difference, and we are deeply grateful. Thank you for your believing in us, for standing with our organization, and for helping us bring hope to our community. May God bless you, your family, and your business. Thank you once again from all of us at the Michaela Memorial NPC.